Okay, so I've written down number 33 on this sheet, and it says 1.4 divided by 1.2. So whenever you divide decimals, first off, we're going to have to do long division, okay? So this would be 1.2 divided, or 1.4, sorry. 1.4 divided by 1.2. And the first thing you want to do is multiply both of the numbers by 10 so that the decimal is at the back. So basically, what that means here, 1.2, you just have to move that decimal one place back. And whatever you do to the number here on the outside, you've got to do the same thing to the number on the inside. So this becomes 12 divided into 14. Okay, so all you've done there is move those decimals back so that now you've got whole numbers in both spots. And now we can say 12 goes into 14 one time. 1 times 12 is 12. We subtract that. 14 minus 12 is 2. Well, here we're stuck, and I don't think that worksheet wanted you to go to round it. It said to go to the hundredths place. So what we do now at this point, we're going to bring down another 0. Okay, so I'm going to put a decimal here and put a decimal here. And then I'm going to put a 0 behind it and bring it down. Okay, so now 12 goes into 20 one time. 1 times 12 is 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. And I have to add another 0 and bring it down. That becomes 80. 12 goes into 86 times, which is 72. So 6 times 12 is 72. We're going to subtract that. We end up with 8 again. So if I added another 0, brought it down, it's going to be this cycle of 12 goes into 86 times. That is 72. I've got a remainder of 8 again. Okay, so since this is going to be repeating, and your answer in the directions in the book, it said about carrying it to the hundredths place, which would be this second spot right here. That's your hundredths place. So to me, what that means is you're going to round it to the hundredths place. So your final answer for 33 would be 1.17, because this 6 made that 6 go up 1. And I think that's what they're looking for. That's how I would have interpreted the directions. But the big thing with that, with dividing decimals, is that you just make them whole numbers and start with the number on the outside. However many times you have to move the decimal to get it to a whole number is what you do to the number on the inside. Okay? And I'm probably going to do another video because that might have been confusing. So we'll see.